AlviArmani stands for excellence. We pay more attention to detail than our patients do.
At AlviArmani, we don't do hair restoration. We restore confidence. We restore that person that you used to see in the mirror 10, 15 years ago.
At AlviArmani, our patients demand the best, and that's what they get. There's a reason that we're the #1 practice in the world.
My journey into this field was as a patient first, and it not only changed my life, but redesigned my career path and helped me to share what I had experienced with other people.
At AlviArmani, our patients tell us that we changed their lives.
3 months after they've gotten their procedure, 1 year after they've gotten their procedure, 5 years after they've gotten their procedure, you get to see the evolution of these individuals from developing confidence, developing an evolution in what they're doing with their lives. It's not just about the hair, it's about the person for us.
The patients know not only just from our before and afters of our artistic abilities, but also that we're cutting edge. We have a research and development lab across the hall run by a PhD.
So we bring powerful tools, powerful results, which is learned in the laboratory to our practice, so they will benefit to get the best treatment option to that individual patient.
The combination of science and aesthetics is particularly unique to this field. Every patient has a different face, a different personality, a different background, and these are all things that we consider when we draw a hairline. We personalize it for each patient.
At AlviArmani, our team is very fortunate to be standing on the shoulders of giants. In 1999, Antonio AlviArmani founded this company and advanced it on the principles of science, ethics, and innovation. In 2010, the torch was handed off to my brother, Dr. Baubac Hayatdavoudi. He continued Antonio's legacy and continued innovating with maintaining the principles of ethics and innovation.
The training that is at the highest level here at AlviArmani is something that can cause reproducible results at multiple locations. Whether it's Beverly Hills or Salt Lake City, you're going to get the same AlviArmani experience.
Patients at AlviArmani view us as both exclusive and the height of excellence.
We pride ourselves on not doing hair restoration. We do person augmentation. We change the essence of the person, not just their hair.